Okay. So this is where I'm at now. I'm decompressing this spring. I guess I'll show y'all how I do it. I don't know, I'm probably just end up just holding it. Let's see if there's a way I can hold it. Yeah. Just loosen up. This side. And you gotta make sure that the spring, there will be like a little bottom part, like a little divot right there for the bottom of the spring to sit into. You just gotta make sure it's sitting right there like that. So when it decompresses, it's right in the right spot. Just hold everything in place. Decompress this side. Over to this side. Decompress this side. Back to this side some more. It's hard to get on that one. But little by little, the spring will decompress. Shit. Shit. It's about done. Just about done. Shit, man. See, it's sitting right in that divot at the bottom. Just loosen it up more, faster. Unlock them. These ones have like little lock pins on. This one, loosen that by hand too. Unlock that. Right out. And that's a strut. Put back how it is. Now, I'm gonna reinstall it.